Okay, so just want to run through the situation on the right side of the house. This is the main priority right here. He is open to doing an entire project of some other drainage while we're out here just having everything done at one time. But this is really the problem area right here. So they have these two drains that are installed. Everything's running out to the bottom of the road up there. These two drains, he's not sure who installed these. We did all the landscaping here. We did all of the piping on all the drainage in the backyard, other side, but this was something that was here when they bought the house. Not sure the company who did it. Everything had been working fine up until this past year. Some of these heavy rains, what's happening is he's having to take the lids off of here, because if he doesn't, it's actually backing up and flooding into the house. With the lid off, everything's able to function, move down a little bit faster. So he is just wondering if there's something that's clogging up this pipe potentially, but he really does not want to stay with the corrugated pipe. He would rather go with some smooth wall PVC all the way throughout. So we'll start right here at this end so you can just kind of see how everything is moving through. So you've got this downspout attached to corrugated pipe. We're not exactly sure how it's tied into everything, if it's coming here, tying into this line that's extending across, or just where that's tying in. But you've got that downspout connection. You have this drain basin right here where they closed off this back end. This end is open right here, flowing through this side. Does not want any of the standing water in there. I mean, as you look in here, you can just see everything swimming around in there, just a breeding ground for these mosquitoes. So that's moving from here over to this box, where you have that corrugated pipe coming out of the top right here, just a standard 4-inch. Going into the bottom, looks like a 6-inch pipe corrugated down there. Everything is cemented in, as you can see. I did ask him if he was open to breaking up all the cement through these areas if we were to redo everything. He said he's open to that, to where we just take some of the Mexican beach pebbles, something similar to what he has out here, and just making that an entire bed of this. So that way we can have the flexibility to come in here and just redo the entire drainage system. So you've got that bottom corrugated, that 6-inch that's now running out to the road. As we go through here, they have had the generator installed, all of this, which was after the fact of the drainage. So if we do come through here, we just have to be very mindful of all of our lines, everything going through. This is the side where all utilities, gas, fiber, everything else is moving through this side right here. So we just need to be extra careful there. Where that pipe is running from and going to is down at the bottom of this hill, which we also think this downspout right here is also tied into this. Coming to this bottom portion right here, which the grates are on here now, but every time it storms, he's taking all the lids off of everything. So you can see these boxes right here, after being here for so long, you can see the sides are really starting to squeeze in and compress. All this sediment, just that pressure going in on it. He's just worried that you're potentially going to get into a situation where those boxes begin to fail. So we're talking a full replacement, PVC pipe coming out into a drain basin, steel grates. He wants those all the way throughout. So that's where everything's rushing from. This is priority number 1, and I'll take another video for everything else.